do a video today. This is actually for folks with the older Evolution engine on their Harley Davidson. This is a 94 Ultra Classic, and it's having issues. Hard starts after the engine got hot, and basically nothing was happening until the engine cooled off. And I've discovered a simple fix I wanted to share for others who might be having the same issue. Save you a lot of time and money. First off, you want to make sure that you're in neutral, and then turn it on. And instead of starting with the switches up here, obviously you want to put it in run. Instead of starting there with the switch, I added a remote starter down here, and that took about maybe 5 minutes. Here you can see this just involved 3 screws here on the solenoid cover. This is a remote starter button, so instead of starting on the handle there, I'll go ahead and give this a flick. Simply press it in.